Okay, let's continue factoring differences of two squares. And over here we have -1/9 plus 1/4 x squared. I'm just going to quickly rearrange this so we can see it better as a difference of two squares. Basically by putting the 1/9 or the -1/9 to the right of the quarter x squared. So right away I can open or just start two sets of parentheses over here, or brackets, and now I will take the square root of 1/4 x squared. Now the square root of 1/4 is just half. So I can put a half over here and a half over there. And the square root of x squared is just x. X here, x there. And just as a little crash course, why is the square root of 1/4 just half? Well, half times half. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. So half times half is a quarter. Therefore, the square root of a quarter is just half. Anyways, so let's continue. Now I want the square root of 1/9. That'll be 1/3. So I can put a plus over here and a minus over there, and we're done. So once we factor -1/9 plus 1/4 x squared, we get half x plus 1/3 times half x minus 1/3. That's it. And just very quickly, let me show you that 1/3 times 1/3 is just 1/9, right? Because 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 3 is 9. That's why the square root of 1/9 is 1/3. Okay, so let's continue over here. This question is just, it might look slightly more complicated. But over here we have 81p⁴ over 16. Well, what's the square root of that? Well, the square root of 81 is 9. The square root of p⁴ is p squared. Remember? Because every time that we take the square root of a variable with an even exponent, we can just divide that exponent by 2, and here we have the answer. And the square root of 16 is just 4. So that's it. The square root of 81p⁴ over 16 is 9p squared over 4. So put another 9p squared over 4 over on the right side here. And now I just need to take the square root of 49 over 25. Remember that the square root of 49 is 7, and the square root of 25 is just 5. So put another 7 over 5 over here, plus and minus, and that's it. We have fully factored this ugly binomial over here. And the answer is 9p squared over 4 plus 7 over 5 times 9p squared over 4 minus 7 over 5. That's it.